Hi, Amber. That's Amber's phone. Oh man, I'm losing my buzz and I kind of don't want to lose it. Don't know where I'm at. It's just like a wave. You know what I mean? A wave. My ears don't hurt as bad right now, man. You ever walked and like closed your eyes because you're trying to remember the path you took, so you close your eyes and you think you can walk it? You know? Yeah. You know what I mean? No, I just thought about what we would think of this video when we stop watching it and the laugh. Amber. 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 Oh. Amber, the camera loves your face. No, don't. You can't touch it, Amber. Don't touch it. It's a magical orb, Amber. That has an eye, Amber. Amber, the lens has an eye. And it's green. I got a chip in my camera. No, look, it's right here. This is it. Are you listening to me? I'm trying to. This singer sounds like Mr. Carlisle, sociology teacher. If he could rap like that, I'd so make him as a knockoff as this dude right over here. What? Do what? You're talking nonsense, man. Amber. Dude, how many times have I said your name? Amber. Oh, no, that was good. Walking. Oh man, dude. I keep staring at something once and I just blank out. Oh man, my reflection looks like it's moving, but I don't think it's moving.